What's up, you guys? It is Margot. Bear with me this video. I don't know what is going on with my voice right now. It doesn't sound A1, so we're just gonna go with it. Today I am going to be able to answer one of the biggest questions that I get all the time when I'm posting new PR products that I got on my Instagram stories, or I'm talking about new products in my videos, and that is how to get free products if you are not technically an influencer or micro influencer, whatever you want to call it. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see on my stories I always am posting new products that companies are sending, and the reason they do this is just to get their name out there, or if they're releasing a new line, they want influencers to test them out and start talking about them, and ideally the influencers love them and will talk about them on their channels. And it's basically free promotion for them, even though obviously the product costs money for the company. If they can get YouTubers or influencers or whatever to talk about them and review them and get feedback on the product, that's what they want. So recently a really cool company reached out to me, and I got really excited because it's something that could really help you guys out, especially if you're interested in the influencing space or you just want to know what it's like to get free products. This company is called Influencer, and I think it is such a cool company. I really want you guys to see what types of products they send. I have a bunch of makeup products that I want to show you guys and just tell you more about the program, because I think it's dope and I think you guys are going to want to get involved, and it's free, so you guys don't have to pay a penny. So I'm gonna get my phone out. Influencer is a program where you can see it. There's all these different categories. I'm gonna be focusing on beauty today, but they have hair care, skincare, beauty tools, gift sets, cuticle products, nail products, body care. The list goes on. So if you guys are interested in getting free products, essentially how this works is you sign up for free and then you take a bunch of quizzes, and the company uses these quizzes to give information to big companies like YSL, Becca Cosmetics, so many, the list goes on. Really high quality products. They also have drugstore products, and those companies can choose if they want to send you products. So using the quizzes, maybe they'll ask if you're going to a wedding that summer, or if you're going to be traveling a lot, then they're going to be interested in sending you travel size products. So when you're selected after taking a few quizzes and just being active on the app, you will get a box of products for free. Here is an example of the box. It says Influencer on the side, Marc Jacobs Beauty. I will take it. Stunning. And basically all you do is when you're selected for a campaign, you say when you get the box. So when I received this box in the mail, I would go on the Influencer app, check that I got this box, and then about a month later, they'll circle back at the end of the campaign, and you will just leave a review on the website. If you have social channels, you can post what you thought about the products on your channels and say that you got the product through Influencer. So you're literally being an influencer. Like, that is exactly what I do when I get products. But shall we look what's in here? You got full-size products, and a lot of the time they're unreleased or they're brand new because they want to get data from customers. So something that I'm actually learning about in school is how important data is, and companies do so much and pay so much money for data. So I think companies are starting to realize that just reaching out to their clients, giving them free product and hearing what they have to say is super valuable. So that's like why this company works. So shall we? First I got this iconic, oh my god, you guys okay? First I got this iconic multi-finish eye palette. So let's look. So this is what I get. Look how beautiful. Oh my god, I've never owned Marc Jacobs beauty products before. Look how stunning. Obviously it's brand new. You get the Marc Jacobs, and then you got all these beautiful colors. So you can take pictures, leave reviews on the app, and it's a really fun way to just get involved in the beauty community if that's something that you're interested in, or if you want to become a YouTuber and just kind of test out the waters. I think it's a really fun way to do it. It also came with this undercover eye primer. I guess it's a little tester. Shall we see what else is in the box? Sorry for this. You guys are in a very precarious spot, so don't want to drop you. Are we good? Okay. The next thing I got is Marc Jacobs mascara. I've heard such good things about this. I haven't gone through this, so this is just as exciting for you as it is for me. Look how gorgeous this is, you guys. I'm freaking out. Look at that. So you would be getting this for free. Like, this stuff sells for a lot of money, so that's pretty valuable. And then what is this? Marc Jacobs Magic Marker Precision Pen Eyeliner, and the crowd goes wild. I was just about to buy a new eyeliner, so this is dope. Look how beautiful. It looks like an actual pen. How do we do this? And it's felt tip. The heavens are looking out for me. So they did send me more products just to show you guys kind of other products that they might be sending, other examples, and you guys are gonna be blown away. So let's just go through this right now since we're already looking at the makeup. Here's another box of these beautiful ladies, and it's Becca Cosmetics. I know, freaking crazy. So they sent 4 products in here, and one of the products is something that I've bought 3 times, so it can be like their best selling products and they just want more information, or they want more people talking about it, or just like sharing it with their friends or whatever. So let's go through. I got a soft kabuki brush, which is amazing. I've never tried out one of Becca's brushes. Oh my goodness. Ideal for mineral loose or pressed powder. Stunning. Next thing that's in here, angled highlighting brush. As you guys can tell, like, it's not just makeup products, they also have brushes, they have all this skincare. Oh my goodness, Becca, who knew? So something that I will say is kind of an insider tip is the more active you are on the app, the more likely you're gonna be picked for different campaigns, because they're just gonna know more about you and what products you like. And something else that you can do is you can just go in and review a product that you already own or you've previously bought or whatever, and that just really helps the whole community thrive. The other day, I stepped on my straightening iron that I've had for like 5 years and that I'm so devastated about, so I went right on Influencer, and they have different articles about the top rated straighteners everyone uses. There's 3 million users on the app, maybe more, so it's gonna be really reliable information, and it's not just like companies pushing things in your face, it's actual reviews from people. So thanks to Influencer, I know what straightener I'm gonna be replacing it with, but you can do that for like any category. So this was in the Summer Radiance kit. So it is a $31 value, and you're getting literally all of this for free. So beautiful highlighter in Capri Coast. And then there is a backlight priming filter. I've wanted one of these. You put it like underneath your foundation. Beautiful. And then in the Becca box, it also came with First Light priming filter, another beautiful primer. I have one more box to show you guys. You're gonna be blown away. So I got 2 Yves Saint Laurent lipsticks. So shall we test them out? So this one is in black red code. Look how gorgeous. So stunning. And then we have a matte stain in Rosewood Gang, the pinkier one. Gorge. Influencer also sent Laura Mercier loose setting powder. You guys, if you have like watched beauty videos on YouTube, this is probably the most used beauty product on all of YouTube. It's a translucent powder that I've heard everyone is just so obsessed with. You can use it to bake. I've never baked my face before, but maybe I will now. And then the other products I got are 2 Makeup Forever blushes. So one is in the color B500, and then the other one I got is in B302. So you guys can tell that this company just makes me really excited. I get so many questions about how to get into the field of influencing and how to become a YouTuber or an Instagrammer, and how do I receive so many free products. Companies want people's input. An influencer put themselves in such a smart position in the world of influencing and products and makeup and all of that whole thing. I haven't been this like super excited about a product in a while, because I feel like this video is like giving back to you guys, and it's a really easy way for you guys to get involved. Sign up, take a few quizzes, write reviews on products that you already have and you love. I have a unique link for you guys to sign up right in my description, so it's super easy. If you do sign up and you get boxes, please tweet me pictures and let me know how you guys are loving it. I think this is a really cool brand and I'm super excited to share it with the world. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to download Influencer. You can also use it online on a computer, on your phone, super easy. Have the best day ever. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video.